children, welcome back to social class. We already completed our block 8 and we had seen that 1857 revolt was suppressed by the British government, and after that what are the main changes had came into India? That India came under the directly rule of England Queen Victoria. So after that what happened in our India, we will see in our next lesson, block 9, rise of the nationalism. After the suppressing of Sipahi mutiny by the British government, the Indians' positions actually became worse more than the before. And before that, Indians have might little bit freedom. But after the first revolt of Sipahis, that British had made more worse rules in India and they started treating badly Indians. After seeing this, one British employee who used to work as Britain government as a collector, he started one organization to motivate the Indians, some educate Indians to motivate, and he has given one platform to open their views and voices against the British government as one nation. Who is that person? That person name is Alan Octavian Hume. I have told that one person who actually started one organization, that organization known as INC, that means full form INC is Indian National Congress, in the year of 1885 in Mumbai. Who actually started? Alan Octavian Hume. He is an Indian? No, he is not an Indian. He is a British employee who used to work under the British government but in India. He is used to work as a collector under the British government. After seeing the bad condition of Indians, he got sympathy on the Indians and he used to always support the Indians. So he thought that Indians need one organization where they can be one nation. What he actually see means how that Indian 1857 Sipahi mutiny was suppressed by the British government. He have calculated that what are the reasons behind the suppressing of Sipahi mutiny. There, that Alan Octavian Hume has found that Indians had no unity and they had fought for different reasons. They didn't fought to get the freedom from the British government. That's why they had introduced that Indian people, they need one organization as a platform to discuss their views and share their views among to each other, and they can communicate with the other people. So they have started one organization that is known as Indian National Congress. What this organization, what are the reasons to form this Indian National Congress in India? The rules against which are made by the Britain government against the Indians. What are those? That Surat and Bengal weavers has to sell their clothes or raw materials to the British merchants, and the farmers were, instead of crops, what they have to grow? Indigo only, right? And they are forced to work as a Sipahis under the British army, under the British government, and they are not getting any promotions or any good salaries. So these rules made the Indians angry. And after that, maybe the telephones, railways, telegraphs, that English education had started to support the British government in India. But after some time, these telephones, railways, English education has supported the Indians only. The Indian people have started by using these railways, telephones. They used to communicate with each other and they had spread the messages to one person to another. That we have to fight against the British government, that we have to fight the British government to get the freedom, not to fight for different reasons. We only must have one goal, one reason, that is to fight against, that is fight to against the British government and make them go away from the India, so we can get the freedom. These telephones, railways, English education actually helped the Indians a lot. After that, articles in the newspapers, that some newspapers used to come in India from the outer country parts also. There some Indian educators has read these articles. They have find out that how other countries who are also under the British government are fighting against the British government to get the freedom for them. If we take as America, as China, as Japan, these are also under control of the British government before in the year of 1757 to 1775 to 17 efforts in the America. There 13 colonies, that is 13 small parts, some geographical parts used to be under part of the Britain government in the year of 1775 to 1783. There 13 colonies has fought against the British government, and after that they have got freedom, and these 13 colonies only has formed as the United States of America. Now we say USA, now these 13 colonies has formed as the USA. So these stories have inspired these Indian educators, and they used to read the articles to the people who are uneducated, and they used to motivate the Indian people by reading these articles, by giving the speeches in radios, because in those days they can communicate with each other. Before they can't go to all areas, because in that time we don't have any railways. After the British entering into the India only, we had introduced these railways, telephones. Now by using these telephones, radios, Indians used to communicate with each other, and even they can go far away places to the some people. Some Indian educated has did these all things by traveling one place to another, by giving their speeches, by giving their articles in the newspaper, by reading out these articles to the uneducated people in villages. They have inspired the Indians to fight against these So the actually which platform has helped? Indian National Congress. Who are these educators means? We will see now who are these educators. Some educated people who are participated in INC, and they have motivated the other people. Who are those people means? S.N. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, and many more Indians who are very well educated. They have participated in this. They have participated in this INC, Indian National Congress, as members, and they used to travel from foreign places, and they used to motivate the people. How they used to motivate the people? By the speeches in the radios, by giving articles, by writing the articles and printing in the newspapers, by telling the stories, by explaining the rules of British government, how they are treating us as slaves in India. They used to inspire the people. To what they are using to inspire the people? To fight against the British. How they are used to fight? Through the INC. So what is their main goal? To form all India as a one nation, and to motivate all over the India to fight against the British to get our freedom, right? So actually who is the founder of INC? Alan Octavian Hume. Is he an Indian? No, he is not an Indian. He is an employee of British government. By seeing our condition, he has got sympathy on us, and he has actually started INC. And members like these S.N. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna has, and more many other educated has formed as one organization, right? So now I'll ask you a question. We had seen that 1857 revolt, and now we have formed that INC. So can you find any difference between 1857 revolt and here INC? What are the differences between that Sipahi Mutiny and this INC? Yes, I will tell you. In 1857, maybe we did a revolt against the British government, but there the people who participated, like farmers, merchants, and the Sipahi has fought against the Britishers for different reasons. For different reasons, to grow crops, to get promotions, or to get good salary, or not to give their materials to the British government. They had many reasons, and they separately fought against the British government for their own reasons. But here, this INC is motivating the people to get as one nation and to fight as one group of people only for one reason. What is that reason? To get the freedom from the British government. That is only their main aim. So all of them had fight for only one reason. If all of the people are going to be one unit as one nation, definitely we are going to be successful, right? So everyone, open your volume please. Yes children, now we are in the block of 9. And our LP1, the Indian National Congress. What is our LP? Indian National Congress. So what is our first question? Fill in the boxes other reading the text. One box has been done for you. See, title of the event. What is the title of the event? Formation of Indian National Congress. Formation of Indian National Congress. So here you have to fill the box. How you are going to fill the box? The people. Who is actually the people to form the Indian National Congress? You have to write their names in the people. And after that, reason for the event. What is the reason to form Indian National Congress? What is the main reason? And after that, places where event took place. I already wrote on the board when I was explaining the lesson, right? The people who is actually the people to form INC, and the reasons and the place where it has started in Mumbai 1885 in the year. Main purpose of the event. What is the main goal to form INC? To get the freedom from the British government, right? So now move to the second question. Which according to you was the most important reason for the Indian National Congress to be formed? Give reason. According to you, what is the main reason to form the Indian National Congress? Now they have different reasons, or they have only one reason to form INC? Yes. Who has formed? Alan Octavian Hume has formed. What is the reason to form it? After seeing the bad condition of the Indians under the British government, he actually started. But what is the main reason to start it? To fight against the British government, right? So give your answers. So children, I hope you understood the lesson and finish your S1. And after finishing each LP, what you supposed to do? Read the lesson every day. Don't keep pending. If you read the lesson every day, it will be easy to understand the lesson. Otherwise, you will get confusion. So what we had learned today, our LP is what? INC, the Indian National Congress. What is our LP? The Indian. Yes. Don't forget to read and complete your volume. Don't keep any work pending. Okay? Thank you.